I have created this real-time data application in Python using the library Plotly Dash, and you can see data on this application is updated in real time. I have used DHT22 and MQ-135 sensors for measuring inside and outside temperature, humidity, and level of carbon dioxide using the microcontroller Arduino. I generate data after each interval 5 seconds and then inserted that data at the same time in the database. Then I retrieve data in this application from the database. So this page shows outside environment data. Current outside temperature is 10.6, humidity is 59.4, and this is the level of carbon dioxide in parts per million. And inside page show inside temperature, humidity, and level of carbon dioxide in parts per million. This graph shows hourly average temperature. Similarly, we can see in this page hourly average temperature outside. And this page shows total rows are in the database or data in table format in this page. So total rows 8468 and today total rows are added in this same rows. So we can see here after each 5 seconds row is added in the database. I am inserting data in the Google BigQuery database. So if I run this query, we can see here in real time data is inserted in the database. We can see here. If I rerun this query, so after each 5 second data is inserted in the database. So it's too easy to insert census data using the any microcontroller, Arduino or Raspberry Pi in the database, and then we retrieve in the application. We can create application in any programming language, Python, JavaScript, and PHP, or any other languages. So if you are interested to learn step by step, you can enroll on Udemy. I have added the link in the description. So if you like, you can enroll using that link in the course.